Hey guys, yeah, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to be explaining how we got this simple trade that is still running in profits now. This is a very nice sniper entry, guys. This is a very crazy sniper entry, and I'm going to show you how you too can catch this type of trades. And if you watch my videos back, my last two videos, I did this analysis, and that is just to prove to you that yes, we do have this. We have been looking at this point of interest on the chart on Nas 100, and finally it has presented itself here, and yes, this is it running in profit. So right now I always start from the daily. You all know that, okay? I would like to hide these drawings so I can be able to still trying to I can't even do that. So what are we saying here? I saw this trade on the weekly time frame. We all know that Nas has been very bullish. So it's broke. It has retested on this fair value gap right here, and it has changed structure and is trading higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, what are we expecting? We're expecting a retrace back down to this level. So let me just delete all of this drawing, okay, so we all can be able to see everything. So this is what happened right here. What happened right here is that on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame, we had this zone right here, okay, this is the zone. And what happened, you all know that we are bearish on Nas 100. After this break, we have been very bearish, and since we're having an internal pullback, we have decided to start taking buys. So let me mark my highs. I like to look at my range before trading first. So, and I have this low that was created. Okay, this is the low we're expecting the market to take out if it does not take the highs. Okay, so the market now has broke structure to the downside, creating what we call change of market structure. Okay, and right now it has started pulling back into this range, this high and low that was created. This is the last high that was clearly created before this push to the downside that created this low. So we don't have any other high. So this is just from this zone, this low here to this high is our trading range. If the market breaks out of this high, our bias will change from sells at this point to bullish. Okay, we start looking for more of buys than sells. Okay, the trend will just change automatically. So right now we can see that the market has come into that zone. Okay, let me delete this. The market has come into that zone. What is it creating? I drew a Fibonacci retracement just like this. Okay, I said that from the discount level we should be seeing what? Reversals, more sell opportunity, more for the market to flip, and we start seeing reversals. So this is what exactly happened today. Okay, I was seeing this analysis yesterday, which was Tuesday. I saw the setup and the market ended as what? As a rejection candle. So right now let me just remove this session breaks, okay, so you guys can be able to see what I was seeing. This was a very high probability trade, okay, and that was why I stick very strongly to it, and this is it. So on the 4-hour time frame, we all can see the low has been taken, you can see, and the market is bearish. Okay, but now we have been taking more of buys, but upon reaching this level now, we have changed our bias because of what? The market is already in a discounted zone and also inside a daily supply zone. So we might be seeing what? something like this that will change structure to the downside, then start pulling back just to take this low. We might see something like that, and we might see a break to the upside that will take out this high and give us that flip that we need. Okay, but right now we are looking for sales because of what? We are already in a supply zone, in a strong supply zone. So we're looking for change of structure to the downside, and we start shorting all the way to the downside here. Okay, so right now I have seen this, so I decided to mark out my 4-hour demand zone here. You can see it's in alignment with the red, with the 0.382 level of the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so I will just delete this Fibonacci retracement here. I will delete it. Now, what did I see? I'm going to the daily. This is the last low. This is the high here. Okay, this is the high that was created, that was broken here. And right now we have this is more like a liquidity for me. I would classify it as a liquidity area, but okay, let's just say it's our low, that on the 4-hour, if it should break below it, you start looking for more of sales. Okay, but right now, what did the market do? The market created something more like liquidity here, more like a low, sorry, and I marked it out. Okay, it left a low on the 4-hour. I was like, this is very good. If we can get a trade above again, just like this, to tap into this area, it was around here, we get to sell this market. Okay, and that was the analysis. Right now, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Sorry, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, I was like, this is a low. Okay, and this is, sorry, trying to, so on the 1-hour time frame, I was like, this is a low, and this is another low created here, and more like a liquidity area. Okay, so the market took it all out, and what happened? As it was taking it out, I sent it to the group. You can go and check it, my free Telegram group. And I was like, okay, since this thing has given us number one criteria, which is break of structure, then what are we waiting for? We are waiting for the pullback. Okay, so I went to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, I went to the 15 minutes just like this, and I was like, okay, this is very nice. This is very, very nice. And I saw something like this. I was like, this is where this entire candle here was completely engulfed. I was like, okay, this is it here. This is our supply zone here. Okay, and this high. I was like, if you're entering this trade, just enter just here. I like using the 15 minutes to make my entries. Okay, on NAS 100 based on something. There's a reason why, and I will explain. Sometimes market doesn't get tapped, it doesn't tag you in. Okay, that is why you have to enter with the higher time frame demand sometimes. But if you want to have a tighter stop loss, you'll be having something like this. Okay, you go to the 5 minutes, look for zone inside that zone, and that will be it. And this is the zone right here. Okay, and this is what I mean by that. Where did the candle completely engulf? It was here, I think here, yes, the bearish engulfing here. This is it here. Okay, and this was, so you could have, if you put your trade entry here, it should have been very tight than the other one. So it should be like 30 points. So if you enter there, you should be running around 1 to 4 or 5 around this point now. But I entered, the way I know. Okay, the way I like to. So right now you're actually running 1 to 3 weeks to reward if you entered using the way I just showed you now. But on our own side is running 1 to 2.5. Okay, no, there's no much difference here. Our main target, first of all, is to take out these lows. Okay, once it takes out this low, this trade is finally complete. And guys, this is how simple it can look like. Have a high win rate strategy, and also have what a higher reward. Okay, not that when you're risking one you be looking for one to one. No, try to, when you lose even 3 times or 4 times with one trade, you can be able to cover up. And this is how simple it can look. So guys, if you really learned something from this video, kindly subscribe. And also, if you want to join my mentorship, is widely open for you. You can just DM me on using the WhatsApp number below, and I will answer you and tell you what you need and how much you need to pay just to get access to my mentorship. And guys, that is all. Subscribe and see you on the next video. I love you all. Bye.